Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and avoid scams on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you're not already by going to craigslist.org right here, and this is going to go ahead and open up this main page where we can browse all the categories for using items. And the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and log into our account so we can get started browsing Craigslist and we can get started messaging users. So go to the account tab in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in. So once you've logged in, now we can go back. From here we can get started browsing all the categories, finding items we want to purchase, and so on. So let's go and take a look some basic rules to not get scammed. You have a whole page on Craigslist.org on how to get started avoiding scams so you do not fall prey to a scam. Basically guys, deal locally face to face and follow this one rule and avoid the vast majority of scam attempts. You do not want to provide or accept payment before meeting in person. You want to go ahead and do not accept requests to wire money, or these are usually scams. Do not go ahead and accept requests to pay with gift cards, and so on. You want to follow the steps right here. Beware of offers involving shipping or movers, guaranteed transactions, requests to call or email for more information, and so on. And a good Craigslist interaction will use CL mail relay to discuss a specific item, improve humanity, and so on. So basically follow some of the good sense right here options and you're probably not going to fall prey to a scam. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.